Dozens of explosions, apparently triggered by a natural gas pipeline rupture, rocked 3 communities near Boston on Thursday, injuring at least 6 people and prompting the evacuation of hundreds, local officials said. The blasts left scores of homes and other buildings demolished or engulfed in flames as firefighters from some 50 departments scurried for hours from one blaze to another and utility crews rushed to shut off gas and electricity in the area to prevent further ignitions. Fire investigators suspected over-pressurization of a gas main belonging to Columbia Gas of Massachusetts led to the series of explosions and fires, Andover Fire Chief Michael Mansfield said at a news conference.